All right, this is a live trade that I'm currently in right now on the S&P 500. Take a look at my P&L. You can see I'm a little over $500-ish in total P&L, although I've only locked in $200. All right, just so you guys know, that's what the realized P&L portion means. Pretty simple. Realized just means you've taken profits, okay? And unrealized means profits that are still in progress. And total P&L, as you can see, just kind of totals it up. But anyway, folks, let's get into it. I want to walk you through all of my live trades today. Kind of want to walk you through my thought process and my frame of mind on why I decided to go short today. And I think you're going to get a lot of value from today's video recap. Okay, so first, let me go ahead and fit this to scale. You can kind of see here, this was the live trade. This is the current trail, and this is the profit target on the second half of my position. Don't worry, I'm going to come back in a few seconds and show you all the elements of this live trade, because it was like any other live trade that I take and make money on. All right, but the real good stuff today, man, is I want to show you the power of volume, and I want to show you like what happened overnight, man. Like, can you believe this? Like, all you guys that were using the vault today and you came in to your computer, you turned it on this morning, and you saw what happened overnight, where the volume indicator nailed a gorgeous retracement right there. Now, tell me the truth. How did this make you feel, right? Like, because I didn't know what happened. I mean, I came into my computer at 7:30, which is like, you know, right around here. Okay, market was already up 240 ticks this morning. I mean, folks, the S&P was up like 50 handles. Huge gap up by the time you started your trading day. So I don't actually know what was the news event that caused volume on this color band to just surge and turn green over here and just rip hard. Like, I have no idea, right? All I know is there was a beautiful, gorgeous retracement pullback entry at 3 o'clock a.m. and I'm kicking myself because once again I was not awake at 3 o'clock in the morning. I know some of you guys were, and so if you were, I hope you were able to jump on this beautiful retracement. But full disclosure, I did not take this trade. I wish I did, though. All right, volume just works, man. Anyway, so let me walk you through my thought process. All right, when I start my trading for the day, all right, I like to get a sense of like what happened or what has happened and what might happen. And you know, when you see the market like all the way up here at these crazy high levels and there's a huge gap up, I don't necessarily want to be the dummy that goes long or who is looking for long trades after the market has already had a huge move up. Does that make sense? Like, this is just me. You don't have to agree or disagree with me. This is just like my thought process. Plus, my bias in the month of March is going to be short. Like, I just really feel that I'm going to make more money playing it short than playing it long. Once again, that's my opinion. You don't have to agree or disagree. Okay? And so what happened today was my subconscious was probably looking for short opportunities in today's morning session. So you can see right here, the volume indicator color band turned red. All right? And it stayed red, established a nice quick downtrend. Unlike this red segment, which was not red at all, right? This is what's called a mismatch or a bar color mismatch, where you see the vol indicator red, but the bars are green, right? So this is the reason that we want to take a pass on looking for shorts here. But over here, man, I mean, you can see quite clearly, right? The trend was crystal clear identified to the short side. The indicator let us know it's time to start looking for shorts. And lo and behold, I was able to spot this retracement trade that showed up, and I had plenty of time to open a short trade. Let me show you my markers here. Take a look at that. You can see I got filled on 2 contracts of the S&P 500 on that retracement trade. And if you take a look at the P&L right now, this is in points, not ticks. Let me see if I can change this to ticks. 1 second. How do I do that? If we go to properties, all right, that's better. So now this is now being displayed in ticks. All right, so this is a cool way to just quickly check and see how many ticks you're up or down. You can kind of see it's moving around and stuff like that. I'm currently up 14 ticks on the second half of my trade. And I'm waiting for the market to come down here. I don't know if it will, right? Nobody knows, and that's kind of the point, you know. Today I'm asking the market to give me 3-to-1 risk reward. And, you know, I just got to see how it plays out. You know, I'm going to be stepping out for lunch in just a few moments. You can see the market has given a green candle, so it's coming back against me. But I'm somewhat confident that I'm at least going to hit 2-to-1, which I think is going to be right there. Yeah, I probably should have just taken 2-to-1 when it hit this low candle, but that's all right. You know, market's here right now, and I only needed to travel another maybe 20-ish ticks to get 2-to-1. But you know, ideally, I just wanted to hit my profit target, which is this blue line here. All right. So yeah, man, this is the anatomy of a profitable trade. Tell me what you think is confusing about this or complicated about this, folks. This is live from today, Monday, March 18th. You guys know one of my favorite ways to start the week is by starting a Monday in profit. We go back to the P&L, you can see I'm only up about $400 now. When I started this video, I was up 500. So in the time of recording this video, I gave back $100, but that's okay, man. I mean, markets are going to go up, markets are going to go down. You gotta stick to your guns. All right. What I've done, as you can see here, is I've locked in profits. You know, this part that says realized P&L, that's locked in today. No matter what happens, man, I have made my $200 today, and I'm happy with that. Do I wish it was a lot more? Of course I do. But one thing I've learned is you have to take what the market gives you. All right. So that'll do it for today's video on showing you how to spot really nice live entries, how to use risk management to move the original stop loss that was up there to break even as quick as you can. And hopefully we're just going to let the market do the heavy lifting for us today. Okay. So hope all you guys and gals had a really nice potential trading day. I hope you were able to jump on this short trade right here as well. It was a pretty nice retracement. It was the only short retracement from the morning session. And for me, no matter what happens, it's going to be a profitable day. And that's how you guys and gals should be looking at trading the market as well. Matter of fact, before I close out this video, I think I'm just going to move my stop down to, I'm going to trail it down to 22 even right there, just because I don't want to give back, you know, 20 ticks now. So that'll do it for this video, folks. Locked in profits, another great trading day, and I'll see you in the next video. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.